So for our ingredients, we would need Italian dressing, ranch dressing, the Tri-Color Rotini. I'm going to use basil, oregano, garlic, and sea salt. However, if you do not have that, season the pasta salad to your liking. I'm using accent to boost the flavor. Of course, black pepper. For our veggies, we have broccoli, tomatoes, carrots, cucumbers. We also have black olives and also green olives, red onion. Some people call it purple. So for our meat, we'll use salami. So without further ado, let's get this party started. Dice our onions very small. Our water is boiling. I did not add any salt or oil to the water. Let's cook that for about 7 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna sample one. I'm actually going to turn the fire off because it will still cook. Now let's take it off and drain it into our strainer. I'm gonna let them sit in there and drain. Go ahead and grab your dressing. Just put a little bit in so the noodles won't stick together. And then give it a stir. It's going right onto the noodles, trust and believe me. And now that we have our noodles done, let's mix everything together. This is what I like to do first. Let me go ahead and put some gloves on for the good people out there. I did the shortcut and I already had the pre-sliced veggies for the carrots already done. Have some broccoli. Now we have our cucumbers. I can eat this like this, y'all, without anything else, for real. That right there is a meal by itself. This is what I like to do. Doesn't that look pretty? Add a little bit of our Italian dressing. I think it's important to have everything into the veggies before you add in the pasta. And no, I don't measure this, y'all. I'll just eyeball it, but probably a tablespoon of the ranch and a couple of tablespoons of the Italian dressing. Use this oregano, maybe about half a tablespoon, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing major. Come back with our friendly accent. If you don't have this in your cabinet, try it. You're gonna need a tad bit. It goes a long way, ladies and gentlemen, trust me. And in fact, let me use some different pepper. Let that go one time. Perfect. Grab 2 spoons here. That's the creaminess you want to have. And as you see, the oil is going to be at the bottom. So don't be alarmed if you use too much. The pasta will soak it up. Now our meat, I did have the marinating in the Italian dressing so it would not get so lumpy when I put it into the pasta salad. Oh, I can eat this just like this. Who needs pasta? Oh yeah, y'all. This is gonna be delicious. And another reason I like to do it like this, because then I can judge how much pasta I want to put in there. Let's put half of it in there to start with. Guess I could have got a bigger bowl. Oh, look how that's coming along. What do y'all think? Y'all gonna make the salad? Would you add more pasta or would you just leave it as it is? Ooh, yum, yum, yeah, yum, yum to your tum-tum. Easy to do, right? And what I like to do is add a little bit more pepper. I like some crushed red peppers. Grab some bacon bits. It's gonna give a nice little kick, y'all. Trust and believe me. Don't forget the cheese, please. I have a little bit of queso. Thank you, Jesus. Y'all know what time it is. Time for y'all to get a bite. Now, what I would recommend if you want more dressing or more veggies, when you dish yours up, add whatever else you want to add. And y'all get a bite? Does that not look delicious? Ooh, thank you, Jesus. Y'all, those bacon bits and a little bit of that crushed red peppers will take this up one notch. I kid you not. I'd like to thank y'all for watching the video. Y'all go ahead and give the video 2 thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're almost to our next milestone of 20,000 subscribers. We can do it, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your questions, your comments below, and I will respond. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. God bless you, and I will see you on the next video.